let's consider what will happen to the rate of an E2 reaction, which E2 reactions like stronger bases. What will happen to the rate of an E2 reaction if we change S minus to O minus? So as I said, E2 reactions like stronger bases. So bases, what are bases in general? Bases will use this lone pair of electrons here to go out and grab a hydrogen. So let's look at what our conjugate acid looks like. Conjugate acids meaning our base after it's grabbed a hydrogen. So sulfur used its electrons to form a bond with hydrogen, and oxygen also used its electrons to form a bond with hydrogen. We want to look at the length of the bond between our atom and hydrogen. So the shorter the bond is, the more tightly that hydrogen is held to our base, or what used to be our base, and therefore that would be a better base. So sulfur is larger than oxygen, as we can see on the periodic table. Because of that, the bond between sulfur and hydrogen is longer than the bond would be between oxygen and hydrogen. So this would be a weaker bond. So because of that, sulfur is not as good of a base as oxygen is. So if we're changing from S minus to O minus, we're changing from a worse base to a better base. E2 reactions like stronger bases. So if we're changing to a stronger base, our E2 rate will increase because O minus is a better base than S minus.